Welcome back to Power Hall, your ultimate destination for everything powerful on wheels and tracks. Today, we're diving into a beast that has carved its name in history at the ACO Super Bulldozer. This machine isn't just massive, it's a monument of engineering power, originally built to tackle some of the toughest terrains in the world. With a height of over 4 meters and a length stretching beyond 12 meters, the ACO Super Bulldozer is in a league of its own. It was designed in Italy in the 1980s and still holds the title of the largest bulldozer ever built. What makes it even more impressive is that it was custom built with the intention of working on large-scale construction and mining projects in Libya, although it never made it there due to embargoes. Under the hood, this monster is powered by 2 Detroit diesel engines AS2A, delivering a combined horsepower of around 1,300. This gives it the brute force to push, pull, and move massive volumes of earth with astonishing ease. The blade itself is enormous, around 7 meters wide, and when you see it in action, it looks like something out of a science fiction film. The weight of the ACO Bulldozer, an incredible 183 tons. That's more than double the weight of a standard Caterpillar D11. One of today's most powerful bulldozers. One of the most interesting things about the ACO Super Bulldozer is its unique construction history. Despite being assembled in Italy, it was built with components sourced globally. The frame, hydraulics, and blade system combine elements from top brands, all carefully selected to ensure the machine could handle extreme jobs in harsh desert environments. This international blend of parts wasn't just for show, it gave the ACO a ruggedness and durability that few machines could match. It was designed to last decades under punishing conditions. Even the tracks of this bulldozer are larger and heavier than anything you'd find on a typical machine. With reinforced steel and custom suspension, the ACO could travel over uneven terrain without losing balance or traction. This stability was essential, especially considering the size of the blade and the amount of pressure exerted during deep excavation work. It's no surprise that heavy machinery enthusiasts and engineers continue to study its design even today. From a design perspective, the ACO Super Bulldozer was a blend of components from leading manufacturers like Caterpillar and Komatsu, giving it both reliability and performance. Despite being constructed more than 40 years ago, its design still turns heads and sparks conversations among enthusiasts and engineers alike. Here at Power Hall, we love machines that challenge limits, and the ACO is a perfect example of ambition meeting engineering. Although it never saw the kind of work it was built for, the ACO Super Bulldozer has become a legendary piece of equipment. It's now preserved as a historic machine, representing what human innovation is capable of when there are no constraints on imagination or scale. For machinery lovers, it's more than just a bulldozer, it's a symbol of raw power and design mastery. If you're into heavy equipment and you love discovering the stories behind the giants of the construction world, don't forget to like this video, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to Power Hall for more reviews of the biggest and baddest machines out there. Until next time, keep your engines roaring and stay powerful.